Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain some important problems of techniques of financial statement analysis. Okay guys, first we will see the pro forma for comparative and common size income statements. Okay guys, first we need to make a table and we have to make two columns. So we have to keep the heading. So how to keep heading is income statement of. For example, we will take any company's name. I will take Raju PVT Ltd. So income statement of Raju PVT Ltd for the year ending 2020. So in particulars, first we will take a sales value and note down in the second column. Now we have to subtract it with sales returns. So first take down sales returns value in the first column and take sales tax or excise duty value in the first column. Now add them both. Add sales returns plus sales tax or excise duty so that we will get one value. So note that value in the second column. Now subtract that value with sales. So we will get net sales. So mark it as 1. So next we have to calculate cost of goods sold. So in cost of goods sold, first we have materials consumed. So how to calculate materials consumed is add opening stock plus purchase minus net sales. So we will get materials consumed value. So note that in the first column. And next we have direct labor. Note that in the first column. Note the value in the first column. And next is manufacturing expenses. So note the value in the first column. Next we have to add or subtract adjustment for damage in stock. If any damages are there, so we have to add or we have to subtract. So note that value in the first column. Now add all the values, so we will get another value. So note that in the second column. Now mark the value as to which we has got. So now we need to find out gross profit. So how to find gross profit is subtract 1 from 2 which we have marked. So we will get one value. Note down that value in the second column. Now we have to subtract operating expenses. In operating expenses we have office and administration expense and selling and distribution expense. So note down the values of office and administrative expense and selling and distribution expense in the first column. Add them both and we will get one value and note down that value in the second column. Now add the values with the remaining values. So we will get operating profit. Now we need to add non-operating incomes. In non-operating incomes we have non-operating profit. Note down that value in the second column. So add operating profit plus non-operating profit. So we will get another value. Now we need to subtract non-operating expenses including interest. So note down that value directly in the second column. After subtracting we will get profit before tax, that we will call as PBT. Now subtract it with tax. So after subtracting we will get profit after tax, that is called PAT. Now if any appropriations there we need to add. So after adding we will get another value. So now we need to add transfer to reserve and surplus. So we have dividends declared or paid, surplus carried to balance sheet. So add dividends declared or paid and surplus carried to balance sheet. So we will get another value. Note down that value in the second column. Now add the final value. So we will get the final answer. So this is the pro forma. Okay guys, if we practically apply the pro forma, so we can easily understand the problems. So now let's start with long problems. So see the second long problem. The income statements of Gautam Ltd are given on the years 2016 and 2017. Prepare comparative statement. Analyze and interpret the significance of changes in these statements. So he has given 2 years information, that is 2016 and 2017. So sales 10 lakhs and in 2016 7 lakhs 25,000 and less discounts, sales, returns, etc. So 15,000 for 2017 and 10,000 for 2016. So after subtracting he has got net sales, that is 9,85,000 for 2017 and 7,15,000 for 2016. and he has subtracted with cost of goods sold. So he has got 6,15,000 in 2017 and 4,35,000 in 2016. And next, gross profit he has got in 2017 is 3,70,000 and 2016 is 2,80,000. So he has subtracted gross profit with administrative and general expenses. So administration and general expenses is 70,000 for 2017 and 50,000 for 2016, and selling expenses are 1,80,000 for 2017 and 1,60,000 for 2016, and net operating profit for 2017 is 1,20,000 and 2016 is 70,000, and he has subtracted it with interest on loans. So interest on loans for 2017 is 15,000 and 2016 is 20,000, and net profit before tax is 1,05,000 and 50,000 for 2016. He has subtracted it with corporate tax. So he has got 30,000 for 2017 and 15,000 for 2016. So net profit for the year is in 2017 is 75,000 and 2016 is 35,000. So now we need to do comparative statements. We need to prepare comparative statement for this information. Okay guys, now let us see the problem. So first draw the pro forma and draw 5 columns for particulars, 2 years, and absolute change and percentage change. Now keep the heading as comparative income statement of Gautam Ltd. In the problem I have written Kumar Ltd by mistake, so you write as Gautam Ltd. So in the question he has given already entire information, so only we need to find absolute change and percentage change for every entry. So first take down the sales value of 2016 and 2017 and find absolute change. Absolute change is current year minus previous year. So 2017 minus 2016. So we will get 2,75,000. Now do percentage change. So 2,75,000 divided by 7,25,000 into 100, we will get 37.93%. So now take down the value of discount sales returns. So 10,000 and 15,000 for 2 years. Now do absolute change. So we will get 5,000, and after doing the percentage change we will get 50. Now we need to calculate net sales. So in the given information, net sales is 7,15,000 for 2016 and 9,85,000 for 2017. After doing absolute change we will get 2,70,000, and after doing percentage change we will get 37.76%. So now subtract it with the cost of goods sold as given in the information. So absolute change we will get is 1,80,000 and percentage change is 41.37%. So now gross profit, that is A, is 2,80,000 for 2016 and 3,70,000 for 2017. So absolute change is 90,000 and percentage change is 32.14. So now subtract it with expenses, that is administration and selling expenses. So after taking down the values and calculating absolute change, so after calculating absolute change for administrative and general expense, we will get the value 20,000 and the percentage change is 40.00. And after calculating for selling expenses, we will get absolute change is 20,000 and percentage change is 12.50. So after totalizing we should mark it as B, and absolute change is 40,000 and percentage change is 19.05. So now we need to calculate net operating profit. So that is A minus B. So 2,80,000 minus 2,10,000 for 2016 we will get 70,000, and 3,70,000 minus 2,50,000 for 2017 we will get 1,20,000, and absolute change of net profit in net operating profit is 50,000 and percentage change is 71.43. Now we need to subtract non-operating expenses. So we have non-operating expenses, interest on loan. So for 2016 is 20,000 and 2017 is 15,000, and we will get absolute change is 5,000 and percentage change is minus 25%. So now we need to note down profit before tax. For 2016 it is 50,000 and 2017 is 1,05,000. So the absolute change is 55,000 and percentage change is 110. Now we have to subtract corporate tax. So in the given information, for 2016 corporate tax is 15,000 and for 2017 is 30,000. So after finding absolute change, we will get the value 15,000 and percentage change we will get the value 100. So now we have to calculate profit after tax. So for 2016 we will get 35,000 and 2017 we will get 75,000 and the absolute change is 40,000 for profit after tax, and percentage change is 114.29. Now we need to write interpretation for this. So the first interpretation is the increase in net sales is lesser than the increase in cost of goods sold, hence the gross profit increased at a lower rate than sales. So the second interpretation is operating expenses have increased at a lower rate, that is only 19%, hence the operating profit have increased at a higher rate, that is 71.43%. So the third interpretation is there is decrease in non-operating expenses, so profit before tax have increased at much higher rate, that is by 110%. Fourth one is tax increased by 100%, so profit after tax have increased by 114.29%. Fifth is the overall strategy of the company is focused on cost reduction, and the sixth interpretation is the overall position as regards profitability is sales factory. So guys, now see the eighth problem. From the following information, prepare comparative balance sheet and comment. Equity shares 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. Reserves 4,050 and 5,050. Bills payable 6,000 and 6,667. Creditors 7,422 and 6,322. Debentures 4,000. Outstanding expenses 6,000. Long-term loans 42,000 and 31,000. Short-term loans 11,000 and 15,000. Bills receivable 1,555 and 2,111, and cash 30,000 and 20,000. Debtors 14,000 and 14,000. Stock 6,627 and 2,650. Prepaid expenses 199. Land and buildings 1 lakh and 1,10,000. Furniture 30,000 and 20,000. Machinery and plant 30,000 and 31,200. Bank 20,000. Goodwill 12,091 and 78. And the totals are 2,24,472 and 2,20,039. So now we need to prepare comparative balance sheet for the given information. Okay guys, now let us see the problem. First draw the pro forma and keep the heading as comparative balance sheet. First we will take equities and liabilities. In equities and liabilities, first we will take shareholders fund. In shareholders fund we will have share capital and reserves and surplus. So take down share capital value. So 1,50,000 minus 1,50,000 we have nil. So keep it as nil. Next, reserves and surplus values 4,050 and 5,050. So absolute change is 1,000 and percentage change is 24.69. And next we have non-current liabilities. In non-current liabilities we have long-term loans and debentures. So long-term loans 42,000 minus 31,000 we will get 11,000 and percentage change is 26.19. And the debentures 4,000. So 4,000 minus 0 we will get minus 4,000 and percentage change is minus 100. Next we have current liabilities. In current liabilities we have short-term borrowings. So 11,000 and 15,000. So 11,000 minus 15,000 we will get 4,000 and the absolute change is 36.36. So in current liabilities, next we have creditors. So take down the values 7,422 and 6,322. So after subtracting absolute change we will get minus 1100 and percentage change we will get minus 14.82. Next we have outstanding expenses. So 6,000 minus 0 we will get 6,000 and percentage change is nil. And next we have bills payable. So 6,000 minus 6,667 we will get 667 and percentage change is minus 11.11. So now total the values. So we will get 2,24,472 and 2,20,039 and the absolute change is 4,433 and percentage change is 1.97. Now we have to calculate assets. So we have finished liabilities. Now we will calculate assets. In assets, first we have non-current assets. Non-current assets we have fixed assets, land and building, furniture, machinery and plant and goodwill. Means in fixed assets we have land and buildings, furniture, machinery, plant machinery and plant and goodwill. So take down the values, and for land and buildings absolute change is 10,000 and percentage change is 10, and for furniture absolute change is minus 10,000 and percentage change is minus 33.33, and for machinery and plant absolute change is 1200 and percentage change is 4.00, and for goodwill absolute change is minus 12,013 and percentage change is minus 99.35. Next we will calculate current assets. In current assets we have bills receivable, cash, debtor, stock, prepaid expense and bank. So for bills receivable we will get absolute change is 556 and percentage change is 35.75, and for cash we will get minus 10,000 and percentage change is 33.33, and debtors we have nil. And for debtors we don't have absolute change and percentage change, so keep it as nil. And for stock we will get minus 3977 and percentage change is 60.01, and prepaid expenses we will get 199 and percentage change is 100, and for bank we will get 20,000 absolute change and no percentage change, so keep it as nil. So after totalizing assets we will get 2,24,472 and 2,20,039, and absolute change is minus 4433 and percentage change is minus 1.97. So now we have to write interpretation. So first interpretation is there is a marginal increase in long-term loans and there is a decrease in debentures, and second is there is an increase in short-term borrowings and there is a decrease in creditors and bills payable, and third interpretation is the liabilities have been increased by 1.97%, and the fourth interpretation is land and buildings and plant and machinery has been increased by 10% and 4% respectively, and fifth interpretation is there is a maximum increase in bills receivable and stock, and sixth interpretation is the overall profitability is satisfactory, liquidity is a cause of concern in short term, instead of that profitability is satisfactory. So for in every interpretation, for every sum we have to write a minimum 6 interpretation, so that only the person who corrects our paper can easily know that he or she may did the problem correctly. So guys, now see the 20th problem. The following figures are extracted from the books of Ravindra Ltd for the year ending 31st March 2017. So given sales are 3,15,000, purchases 1,57,500, opening stock 29,400, closing stock 33,600, salaries 15,540, rent 5,040, postage and stationery 2,100, advertising 2,520, commission on sales 3,150, discount allowed 840, interest paid 2,100, loss on sale of asset 4,830, profit on sale of investments 3,999, profit for taxation 21,000. You are required to prepare a common size income statement. So now we have to prepare a common size income statement. So guys, now let us see the problem. So first draw the pro forma. So draw 3 columns for particulars 2017 year and percentage of revenue from operations of 2017 year. Now keep the heading as common size income statement of Ravindra Ltd. So first take down the sales value of 2017, that is 3,15,000. Now we need to find out percentage of revenue from operations of 2017 year. So divide 3,15,000 divided by 3,15,000 into 100. So we will get 100%. Next we need to subtract cost of goods sold. In cost of goods sold we have opening stock, purchases and closing stock. So opening stock value is 29,400. So divide it with sales and multiply with 100. So 29,400 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 9.33%. Next we need to calculate purchases. So purchase value is 1,57,500. So 1,57,500 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 50%. Next closing stock we have to calculate. So value is 33,600. So 33,600 divided by 3,15,000 into 100. So we will get 10.66%. So now add opening stock, purchases and closing stock. So we will get cost of goods sold, that is 1,53,300 we will get, and the percentage is 48.66%. So after getting cost of goods sold value, we have to calculate the percentage. So 1,53,300 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 48.66%. Now next step is we have to calculate gross profit. So gross profit is sales minus cost of goods sold. So 3,15,000 minus 1,53,300. We will get 1,61,700, and the percentage 1,61,700 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 51.33%. So subtract operating expenses. Operating expenses, we have salaries, rent, advertisement, commission on sales, postage, discount allowed. So salaries 15,540 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 4.93%. And rent 5,040 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 1.6%. And advertisement 2,520 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 0.8%. And commission on sales 3,150 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 1%. And postage 2,100 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 0.66%. And discount allowed is 840 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 0.26%. Now we need to calculate non-operating expenses. So now subtract non-operating expenses. In non-operating expenses, we have interest paid and loss on sale of asset. So interest paid is 2,100 and loss of sale of asset is 4,830. So 2,100 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 0.66%. And 4,830 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 1.53. Now we need to add non-operating incomes for the non-operating expenses. So in non-operating incomes, we have profit on sale of investments. So the value is 3,999. So 3,999 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 1.26%. Now we should calculate profit before tax. So just add all the values. So we will get 1,29,579. So 1,29,579 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 41.13%. So now subtract tax. So tax given is 21,000. So after subtracting, we will get profit after tax, that is 1,08,579. So 1,08,579 divided by 3,15,000 into 100, we will get 34.46%. So now we have to write interpretation. So the first interpretation is there is a marginal increase in opening stock and purchases. Second one is the gross profit has been increased by 51.33%. Third is the operating expenses indicates good health. Salaries have been increased by 4.93% and rent by 1.6% and advertising by 0.8% and commission on sales by 1% and postage by 0.66% and discount allowed by 0.26%. And the fourth one is the non-operating expenses increased. So the fourth interpretation is the non-operating expenses increased gradually. Interest paid increased by 0.66% and loss on sale of assets by 1.53%. And the fifth interpretation is the non-operating income shows a good sign. The profit on sale of investments is increased by 1.26%. The profit before tax has been increased by 41.13%. And the sixth interpretation is after tax, the profit after tax has been increased by 34.46% and the profitable position is satisfactory. So guys, now see the final problem, that is 23rd problem. So that is a final important problem. From the following balance sheet of Vijay Ltd as at 31st March 2017 and 2016, prepare common size balance sheet. So particulars 31st March 2017, 31st March 2016. So equity and liabilities, shareholders fund, share capital 5 lakhs for 2017, 2,50,000 for 2016. Reserves and surplus 2017 is 2 lakhs and 2016 is 1,50,000. And non-current liabilities 12% debentures 2017 is 4 lakhs and 2016 is 5 lakhs. Current liabilities, trade payables 4 lakhs for 2017, 2 lakhs for 2016, and the total is 15 lakhs for 2017 and 11 lakhs for 2016. And next, assets, non-current assets, we have fixed assets, that is 12 lakhs for 2017 and 2016 is 9 lakhs. And next we have current assets. In current assets we have cash and cash equivalents 3 lakhs for 2017 and 2 lakhs for 2016, and the total is 15 lakhs for 2017 and 11 lakhs for 2016. So we need to prepare common size balance sheet. Okay guys, now see the formula. First draw the pro forma and draw 3 columns for particulars 2016 and 2017, and in the years 2016 and 2017 draw 2 more columns for amount and percentage. So name the problem as common size balance sheet of Vijay Ltd as at 31st March 2016 and 2017. So in exam we must name the problem, whether it is common size or comparative size balance sheet or income statement, so that only we can gain 9 marks. So coming to the problem, so first we will take equities and liabilities. So in equities and liabilities we have shareholders fund. In shareholders fund we have share capital. So amount is 2,50,000 for 2016. So divide 2,50,000 with the total amount, that is 11 lakhs, into 100. So we will get percentage, that is we will get 22.72. Round it off and take 22.73. Same for 2017. 5 lakhs is amount. 5 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 33.33%. Next we will take reserves and surplus. So amount is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 divided by 11 lakhs into 100, we will get 13.64. And for 2017 it is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 13.33%. Next we have non-current liabilities. In non-current liabilities we have 12% debentures. So for 2016 it is 5 lakhs and 2017 it is 4 lakhs. So 5 lakhs divided by 11 lakhs into 100, we will get 45.45. And 4 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 26.67. Next we have current liabilities. In current liabilities we have trade payable. So in current liabilities we have trade payables, and amount for 2016 is 2 lakhs and for 2017 is 4 lakhs. So 2 lakhs divided by 11 lakhs into 100, we will get 18.18, and 4 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 26.67. Now total the amount. So for 2016 total amount is 11 lakhs and the percentage is 100, that is 11 lakhs divided by 11 lakhs into 100, we will get 100. And 2017 total is 15 lakhs and the percentage is 100, that is 15 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 100. Next we need to calculate assets. In assets we have non-current assets. In non-current assets we have fixed assets. So the value of 2016 is 9 lakhs, and for 2017 is 12 lakhs. So 9 lakhs divided by 11 lakhs into 100, we will get 81.82, and 12 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 80. That is the percentage. Next we have current assets. In current assets we have cash and cash equivalent. So for 2016 it is 2 lakhs and 2017 it is 3 lakhs. So 2 lakhs divided by 11 lakhs into 100, we will get 18.18, and 3 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs into 100, we will get 20. So the total are 11 lakhs and the percentage is 100, and for 2017 total is 15 lakhs and the percentage is 100. Now we need to write interpretation. So the first interpretation is there is a marginal increase in share capital. Reserves and surplus have been decreased by 13.33%. Okay, the second interpretation is non-current liabilities have been decreased by 26.67% compared to 2016. And the third interpretation is the current liabilities have been decreased by 26.67% compared to 2016. And the fourth interpretation is the assets have been decreased by 81.82% to 80%. And the fifth interpretation is the current assets have been increased from 18.18% to 20%. And the sixth interpretation is the profitability and solvency of Vijay Ltd has improved, but liquidity position has become slightly unfavorable. The overall financial position is satisfactory. Okay guys, today's session is over, and in the next session I will start new chapter, that is funds flow statement. and I will provide a link in the description box for the remaining problems of techniques of financial statement. And if you guys have any doubts, please comment me in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your doubts. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. So guys, see you in the next session. Have a nice day.